Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So in this video today, I've got a desktop condenser mic. So here it is, it's the A8 from Fifine, and it's Game A8 Fifine desktop condenser mic. Fifine kindly sent this out to me, so let's get it unboxed and have a look what's inside the box. Okay, this is it in the box. Let's have a look what it looks like outside the box. So let's just open that. There you have a user guide there. So it tells you how to set it up and everything like that. Nicely packaged. So let's just take it out of the box. Got a pop filter. So it's got like a little smiley face on there that you can see. Got some eyes and stuff. Just barely see it. So that's the pop filter that comes with the mic. So that's good. Here it comes with a boom arm adapter as well. So you can put that on a boom arm for the mic to sit on that. Here's the mic itself. Wow. It's got some weight to it. So let me just put that to one side a minute. And then last of all, you've got the cable to connect it to a USB, because it is a USB condenser desktop mic. This is the mic here. So yes, it's made of plastic. I think it's really good quality. So that's all plastic. You've got the shock mount there. So you've got that shock mount on there, so you're not going to get vibrations. So it comes with a stand. So this is the stand here. It's got a bit of weight to it. You've got a rubber base on there so it doesn't slip on the desks, but I really like this mic. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. So there's the adjustable for the stand. And this does illuminate as well, some RGB. I do believe that's the button at the back to adjust the RGB. I can just focus in on there. And then you've got the gain knob on the back. And then you've got your USB-C and headphone monitor inputs. I'm really impressed with it. And at the top, you've got a mute button. That is a touch sensitive mute button. So I'm impressed with this desktop mic. So what we're going to do, we're just going to test out the sound quality on it and get it all set up. This is the mic all plugged in. So this is it. As you can see, the RGB lights look really good, and I've got the pop filter on there as well. So that just circles through. There's a button on the back where you can change the display of the RGBs. So, you know, this is it here. I really like the design of it. It's really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test the sound quality of it now and just see what it sounds like as well. And then I'll see the mute on there. There's the mute button on there. That's on green. That just shows you that it's on. And if you just tap it like that, it goes red. That means it's muted. Tap it again. It means it's back on live. So just going to do a sound check then. Going to be no adjustments to the mic itself. So let's just hear what it sounds like. So this is the mic. It's about 6 or 8 inches away from my mouth. So this is what the sound quality sounds like on the Fifine Game desktop mic. So this is it. Obviously it's out of shot, but it is about 6 to 8 inches away from my mouth. So I just hope the sound quality sounds all right. So I'm just going to pick it up now and show you. So this is it from the same distance from my mouth. So I just hope it sounds all right. Obviously, if you get closer to it, your voice is going to be a lot more clearer. So I just hope all the audio sounds okay. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. And I'll put it away. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So this is a condenser mic, so all the voice that comes to the mic is obviously directly here. So if I turn it round and talk to it, my voice is gonna not be as clear, so it sounds distant. So as I bring it back round, my voice should sound a lot clearer. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to tap the top to just mute me while I keep talking. So that's back on now. So it's just a touch sensitive just to mute. So this mic is really good. It's going to be good for gaming, streaming and stuff like that, and any other voiceovers as well. So I just hope the sound quality is really good. So I'm really impressed with it. I'm just going to put it down on the table. So I hope the audio is still good. So I'm just really impressed with this condenser mic that Fifine sent out to me. So I will leave the link below of where you can get this mic as well and how much it costs. So I hope you like the video on this condenser mic by Fifine. So if you could like and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated. BKM Tech Reviews. So hope to see you soon on another video.